Hi, I'm Charlie Chapman, a developer advocate here at RevenueCat, and I want to show you how to find your app's revenue per install using RevenueCat charts. Revenue per install, also called realized lifetime value per customer, is simply a measure of how much revenue you've earned for each customer over a specified time period. For example, 14-day revenue per install would tell you the average revenue you've earned per customer after 14 days since they've opened your app. This is a useful metric for understanding how much revenue to expect from each user you acquire, which informs how much you should be willing to spend to acquire them. This is an important metric to understand when running paid acquisition campaigns, such as social media ads. Let's jump into the RevenueCat dashboard, and I'll show you how to find it. Here in the RevenueCat dashboard, if we go up to Charts, and then go to the Realized LTV per Customer chart, here you'll find a chart that represents the realized LTV for customers who've opened your app on this day, and the amount of revenue that they generated within a specified time frame. So here we can see that on this day, there were 831 new customers. And over the next 30 days, that cohort of customers earned about $3,128, which makes the average realized LTV per customer on that day $3.76. If we want to change the time period we look at for how much revenue they generated, we can go to the customer lifetime dropdown. Let's set ours to 14 days. Right now our graph is pretty spiky because it's set to daily. Let's make it a little less granular and set it to monthly. And then we can change our time range to the last 12 months. So here we can see each month's 14-day average LTV. If we want to see all the raw numbers, you can scroll down to the table below. And on the right, you'll see a row average, which will show us that over the last 12 months, our average 14-day revenue per install is $2.83. So that's how you find the revenue per install in RevenueCat charts.